Hello friends, today we are going to see basic elements of C program. Means before starting any C program practical example, we should aware about the certain terminology, or we can say terms, which are also called tokens of C programs, but I say basic elements of C program. So let's start it. Basic elements of C programs. They are keywords, constants, variables, data types, operators, some special characters, or we can say symbols like underscore, curly braces, square bracket, parenthesis, and ampersand symbol. Some predefined functions like printf, scanf, etc. So let's start with the topic one by one. The first term is keywords. What are keywords in C language? There are 32 keywords in C language. They are all keywords are always written in a small letter. Since every keyword has a specific meaning to the compiler, therefore they are also known as reserved words. Means we cannot use as an identifier, that is, we cannot use them as a variable name, as a function name, or as a structure or union name. So one thing to remember, that all keywords are always written in small letters. Any letters cannot be capital, or full letters cannot be capital. Next term is constants. So what are constants? Constants are the quantities which value never changes at runtime, that is during program executions. Means they always remain same when we run our programs. So there are mainly 4 types of constant in C language. They are character constant, string constants, integer constants, and floating constants. So how we will identify what are the character constants? So we can say that if any single alphabets, whether it is a small or capital, doesn't matter, but only single alphabet or any single digit is enclosed inside single quotes, then they are known as character constants. This is exception 1. Means /0 is treated as null character constant. It is used in a string. We will see later in this tutorial. Next one is string constant. How we will recognize whether it is a string constant or it is character constant? So if any single or multiple alphabets, digits, or both are enclosed inside double quotes, then they are known as string constants. So what is the difference between character constants and string constants? If any single alphabets or any single digit is enclosed inside single quotes, then they are known as character constant. Similarly, if any single or multiple alphabets, digits, or both are enclosed inside double quotes, then they are called string constants. Next one is integer constants. Any numeric value without any fractional part, means only integral part is there. So these type of values are known as integer constants. For example, 5, 23, 100, 4500, etc. It contains only numeric, means integral part, no fraction part is included in these numbers. So these are integer constants. What are floating constants? If any numeric value contains integral as well as fraction part also, then they are called floating constant. For example, 3.14, 6.78, 8.95. So 3 is integral part, 0.14 is a fractional part. So these are floating constants. Next one is variables in C language. What are variables? The variables are the quantities which value may be varies, or we can say change time to time. In simple words, variables are memory references name using which we can store as well as retrieve the constant value from the memory. Let's see with an example. For example, here we have declared int x equal to 10. So what is the meaning of this sentence? Here int is a data type, x is variable name, 10 is integer constant value, and equal sign is an assignment operator. So x is variable name, 10 is integer value, or we can say integer constant, or we can also say variable value, 4050 variable address. So there are some rules, or we can say certain rules which required to be followed while declaring any variables. What are those rules? Let's see. Rules for variable declaration. First one is all variable name always must be started with alphabets. Alphabets may be capital A to Z or a small a to Z, or variable may start with underscore also. Other things are not allowed. For example, let's see, int A, B, C. These are alphabets. Next one is underscore roll, means we have used underscore before alphabet value, so it is allowed. We can also use underscore in the middle or at the end of the variable also. Next rule is variable name should not be any keywords, because keywords are reserved words, means every keyword has a specific meaning to the compiler. Therefore, we cannot use any keyword as a variable name. For example, in switch, suppose int is our data type, so switch cannot be used as a variable name because switch is a keyword. So wrong, because switch is a keyword. Next rule say, if digits means 0 to 9 are to be used, then it must be used after alphabets, not before. Means, say the example, int A1, B2, these are correct one, but when we write 1A, 2B, 3C, these are incorrect because we have used numbers, or we can say digit, before alphabets. So this is not allowed. What are the next rules? Rule number 4, variable name should not contain any special characters other than underscores like @ dollar, hash, etc. For example, if we declare a variable of integer type, namely int fee, next rule is there should not be any blank space between variable name. If spaces are required, then use underscore in between every two words. For example, int student roll. This is incorrect syntax because we have given a space between a student and roll. So what is correct one? Int student underscore roll. This is correct syntax. Next rule is variable length for initial compiler was 16 character, but now the latest compiler like GCC compiler can support up to 32 character also, or more than 32 character also. So these rules must be followed while declaring any variable in C language. Not in C, even it will require for C++, Java, .NET, Python also. Thank you. That's all for this video. We will see next thing in next video. Thank you. Bye bye till now. Thank you. If you have any query, you may find me at helpdesk@technovision@gmail.com, or you can see the youtube.com/c/technovision services. Thank you.